Hi everyone, I'm here to talk to you all today about a program I use for assessing my students in first grade. It's called ST Math, or as my students refer to it, GG Math, because the penguin's name is Gigi. So it's kind of like a video game, math game, but it's an awesome assessment, and it's all done independently by my students. They do it for about 15 minutes, 4 times a week, and it's probably their favorite part of math. So when I log into GG Math or ST Math, this is my dashboard. So the goal by the end of the year is to have students get to 100%, which I've been doing it for about 2.5 years now, and I think I got to like 48% as a class because it is very hard to get them all to 100%. Down here, it means that 8 of my students, I have 24 students, 8 of 24 are really struggling on it. So I try to check this weekly and help those students get to the next level and understand where they're struggling. So it's how many students I have, and I can assign homework to them, which I don't because I send homework home every day. I would click on this, but it has my students' last names, so I don't want to get into it, but I can, click on that. It will give me my 8 students that are struggling, and I'll go in and help them. So since I teach first grade, these are all the first grade standards that we learn in math, introduction to number line, addition, subtraction, measuring, counting. So every student starts at introduction to number line in the beginning of the year. So these are different levels, and I will show you what it is. So I'll do test job. The student will play. So test drive. All right, so here's Gigi over here, and they all start here. So what the students have to do is, okay, so there's level 1. So it's introduction number line. So they have to visually color in the number they see up here. So 5, click it. Gigi goes, go on to the next problem. 8, click on 8, they get it. So I actually have a couple of students that are still on introduction to number line. So I'm working with them a lot. So as you can see, like the kids just love it because they are doing math, but it's like they're playing a video game. And I love it because it's all of our standards that we have to they have to cover in first grade. Um, so I mean, I'll just show you what happens if they get it wrong. So essentially, if my students are struggling, they keep getting the wrong number and they can't get past this level. So some of them do get very frustrated, which is why I need to step in and help them. But again, it is something my district pays for. So not everybody, it's not a free assessment. But I mean, if your district is willing to look into it, it's for K-1-2, and it's an amazing assessment, and it's just I love it. I've seen great growth with my math with my students. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me to tell you more about GG Math. Thank you.